Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the latest smartwatch from Huafit, the Huafit Watch A1000. This smartwatch do have a sporty design and it has a very long standby time, 500 days of standby time with its 1000 mAh battery. It is one of the longest standby time in the market when it comes to smartwatches. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. We will check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about this A1000 smartwatch from Huafit, and if you are planning to buy this smartwatch, watch this video first. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Huafit Watch A1000. So before we check on the contents of this packaging or the smartwatch, let's check first the packaging of the Huafit Watch A1000. So it is pretty similar to the previous smartwatches of Huafit. Simple. We have a preview here, the specs and features of the smartwatch on the front, and at the back we do have some specifications here. Okay, just a few details about the wearable. On the side, we have the features. We have the weather forecast here, blue skull. We have the size of the screen, and we have the QR code here. And the color of the smartwatch, we have the gray. Youth in motion. We have the QR code for the website to download the support app for this wearable. Okay, compact, durable packaging from Huafit. Okay, so let's check out the contents of the A1000. Let's remove first the plastic here. If you have any questions regarding smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel by sharing this video or liking it, and of course much better if you subscribe. Okay, so what are the contents of this new smartwatch from Huafit? So let's check it out. So let's remove the box cover here. So we have the smartwatch user manual. We have the QR code here. So I'm not sure about the support app. I'm going to put it later on the screen. We have the charging cable, still pogo pin, magnetic, USB type A. We have the strap with the Huafit branding. Nice. Aulon Huafit, durable black strap with stainless steel buckle here. And of course we have the smartwatch. Okay, let's put this aside. Again, we have the user manual, the charging cable, the strap, and the smartwatch. It seems like we do have, I don't know if this is metal or not, but it's a bit heavy. Okay, I guess this is due to the large battery capacity. Let's remove this first so we can check out the design of the wearable. Okay, so before we attach the strap, let's check the weight of the smartwatch. Okay, we have 00 here, 28.80 grams. And with the strap attached, it is around, I think it is just around 45.37 grams. So very lightweight. Okay, just less than 50 grams. It feels solid so far. For the dimension, it has a 49 by 40 by 11.9 millimeter. Okay, again, the dimension is 49 by 40 by 11.9 millimeter. Then let's attach the strap so we can check out the design, the total design of this smartwatch. Okay, again, for the strap, we do have a quick release pin here, and we have a 22 millimeter strap. Okay, then that's it. Huafit. Again, for the design, so we have a plastic body frame, okay, with a somewhat like a metal finish, gray color, plastic back cover. We have the speaker here. We have a physical button, push button. I guess this is customizable function button. And we have here a crown button. Seems like it is a rotary crown button. Again, I'm going to turn this on so we can check on the overall design. Huafit, powered by Aulon. Okay, English. Scan to download the app. We'll skip this. Can we skip? Okay, seems like we really have to pair the device. Okay, so we can skip. Okay, again, for the design, let's have a closer look. Nice. So far, I like the design of the Huafit Watch A1000. It looks premium, sporty, and seems like we do have a very slim black border. Okay, no. I thought that we do have a slim black border. It's a bit wide here on the bottom, left and right. But I think it's just okay. But it's not slim. Okay. I was thinking that it is slim. It's not. Okay, the black color of the watch face is masking the wide black border here, as you can see. Okay, if you're going to pick a black color for the watch face, it looks like there's no border at all. Okay, but if you change it to other colors, especially the lighter one, we do have a huge black border. Okay, for the specifications, we do have a 1.93 inch IPS LCD screen. Again, 1.93 inch. We have Bluetooth 5.4. I'm going to put it here. 180 mAh waterproof rated. 1000 mAh battery with 500 days of battery life. And what else? 180 mAh Bluetooth version 5.4. We have a Bluetooth calling, as you can see here, meaning we do have a built-in speaker and microphone. We have 24-hour heart rate monitoring. For the complete specs, including the support app, check it here. Okay, next, let's check out the UI. For the UI, okay, settings and options on top. On the bottom part, we have notifications, the split screen, and the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, the UI here is pretty similar to the previous smartwatches of Huafit. I thought that is using the latest UI or operating system for smartwatches. Seems like it's still the same with the previous wearable by Huafit. Anyway, we do have a very good design for the Huafit Watch A1000. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.